This video is brought to you by Odessa Woodworking and Makers Shop, proud member of Makers Media Network.
Hello folks, I'm participating in the Makers Rock Album Art Collab. Myself and many other makers were asked if we wanted to participate in the Spring 2018 collaboration. This year we're doing 90s rock. Our task is to recreate an album approximately 12 by 12 inches that was released in the 1990s using any material. I chose Pink Floyd Pulse. Pink Floyd is one of my favorite rock bands. This year, there are 36 participants in the giveaway. A giveaway winner will be announced no later than April 4th. Good luck in advance to those lucky winners. So a big part of this collab is promoting at least 6 other makers. Well, I couldn't pick just 6, so I decided to mention them all. And here they are.
Alex Krause, Andrew Setters, Matt Haas, Carl Jacobson, Steve Carmichael, Charles Dearing, Clark Schwenke Son, Robert Deniski, Dylan Taylor, Eloy Escagedo, Donald LeBlanc, Steve Nealon, Herb Lichtenberg, Pam Harris, Javier Unsueta, John Clothier, Jamie Page, Kenneth Hayes, Shelley Cole, Sophie Lewis, Mark Lindsay, Michael Murray, O.J. Stevens, David Jones, DJ Geiler, Zach Manring, Bill Kolicoski, Steve Twidell, Tim Warner, Chris Philhauer, Ryan Bitters, Todd Wood, AJ Merrill, Christopher Smith. So there you have it. So come see us at these other social media sites. Thank you so much.